Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to be installing door lock actuator on this Honda Odyssey. This should go in here somehow, like that. Alright, so let's begin. First I'm going to get the door panel off. There's a little trap door right here. Take it out. Like that. And you got two Phillips heads, screwdrivers. You got one Phillips head down here, and I believe that's all you have on the door panel. Let me see. I'm gonna try to stay out of the video as much as I can. The two Phillips heads, and you got one right here. I took a panel off here thinking there was going to be a bolt there, but there wasn't. So you could leave that panel on when you do this job. What that door panel does. I'm pretty sure there's some more somewhere. I just don't know where they're at. Let's see. Hopefully it's just pins in place. Be careful not to break them. There we go. Keep popping them out. Just like that. Until it breaks loose. Just take your time with it. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out now. Torx bit T30. This is my first time doing this job, so hopefully we'll both learn something. This is going to be where that latch is, or latches to your door, or to your frame. One Torx bit. Two. And three. Those go right there. gotta take this out. Okay, we gotta take the door switch off. When you get to the door switch, the lock here is just a little bit squeeze thing. And then when you get to here, it's got a locking device. You gotta unlock it, swing this out, and then it'll come off. And then you got a Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head screw right there. You gotta take it off. All right, I went and got to get that bolt out, or to get that Phillips head out, you'll need a little screwdriver like this, one that can reach inside the handle and use it. And then the panel comes off like that. Thank goodness. You got one wire connector back here you got to unplug. Let's see. Take it off the panel so I can show y'all. See the one panel right there? And one plug. I don't know if you can see it. To take off. Why can't they just be easy? There we go, just like that. And we'll snap that back in place. Okay. Door panel out of the way, finally. So remember, that was 4 bolts to get the door panel off. Up under the door switch, the window switch, the master switch, 3, and then up in the door handle part, 4. Then your door piece will come off, the door panel will come off. Then you got 3 bolts here, T30s, Torx bits for your latch. Don't know what that was for yet, but we're gonna find out. Now we're gonna get this door panel off. Not door panel, door. I don't know what this is. Noise barrier. Just got sticky 2-sided glue on it. Okay, now let's look and see where this thing is. Where does this go? Okay, there's your latch, just like that. Okay, so it's gonna go like that, and this is gonna go up here. Okay, so let's get busy. See if I can figure this out. Pretty sure we can. Hey, this door lock actuator for this Honda Odyssey. Don't do it. Pay somebody to do it. It's not worth your time. Just being honest. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm back. This door lock actuator for Honda Odyssey. Don't do it. Pay somebody. It's not worth your time or effort. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just being honest with you.